Welcome back to our channel, Epic Theme Park crew. Today we're here at Islands of Adventure Park, here at Universal Orlando Resort. We're going to do an updated video of early park admission. Be sure to stay tuned to the end when I give the details of how we went about making this magical morning happen. Let the adventure begin. As you enter into the park, be sure you have out your room key and your day ticket. They do check as you go through this upcoming checkpoint. Just follow the crowd right through Seuss Landing. You hang a left right here by Green Eggs and Ham. Everybody will be going to Hagrids Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure or the Velocicoaster. Just keep following the crowd right into Hogsmeade Village. There, if you have items, you will store your items in a free locker. Scan your park ticket, the locker will open. Put your belongings in there and head to Hagrid's.
There is so much more that is out there for us to see.
Don't mind Fluffy, his barks are worse than his points. No, don't panic, I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power. Dragonfire's got a kick.
We just finished up with Hagrid's. We had a magical ride. Now we're on our way to Velocicoaster. As you leave Hogsmeade Village, hang a right at Fire Eater's Grill. And this is the bridge that leads to Velocicoaster. Where we rode Hagrid's first, we'll have probably a 15 to 25 minute wait on Velocicoaster. Jurassic World Velocicoaster. Top speed 70 miles an hour, has a launch of 50 and a top hat of 155 feet. Here we go.
Hands, arms, feet, keep them in the vehicle with any luck to still have fingers and toes before you exit through the gift shop.
Thank you so much, Mr. Grote.
I tell them the raptors are dangerous. They say put a roller coaster in the paddock. What could go wrong?
A little tips and tricks to make your early park admission go smoothly. We stayed on property at Dockside Hotel. We awoke at 6 a.m. We're out of the hotel by 6:40. We arrived at Islands of Adventure at 10 to 7. That put us about 8 people from the front. That is our pro tip to make your morning here at Islands of Adventure that much more magical. Okay, everybody, that wraps up early park admission here at Islands of Adventure Park. We did Hagrids, we rode Velocicoaster. It is 8:44 in the morning. The park officially opens at 9 a.m. One pro tip, you can use Dramamine. Take one of those while you're waiting for the park to open. That will help you if you get motion sickness. Now we're on our way to the 3 Broomsticks to enjoy a breakfast. We will do all this before 9 a.m. I hope these tips and tricks help you and make your experience here at Universal Orlando a magical experience. This is Dave with Epic Theme Parks Crew, and I'm signing out. See you in the park soon.